Alrighty, so I am spending a couple days here signing Vickers Guide Kalashnikov books, the special signature edition. So we've got a whole process going. Larry pulls the books down, puts on the extra cool sticker, and then Larry signs it. Then it's going to come over to me, where I'm going to sign it. Then we have a stack that we're collecting here. Once we have orders, then they go over to the processing table, where they're going to get wrapped. This thing is down to a science. Pre-cut tape and everything. Once it's wrapped, it goes into the box. Everyone's favorite packing friend, the peanut, is in there. And then seal it up, tape it up, throw on a shipping label, and it goes in the stack to go out to you guys.